Let's talk about my favorite vacuum. Obviously, I like it so much I bought it twice. I have had this one for more than 12 years, and I don't know if you can see down here, but I have a 90-pound lab who sheds. I mean, he's not a long-haired dog, but he sheds a lot, and it's dark, so it has to get up, and the Shark vacuum does the trick so well. This is the Shark Professional. It is lift away, and I'll demonstrate that in just a moment. I bought it twice because this one's about 12 years old, and I started a cleaning business, and so I use this one for business and this one for my house. It works so well. It's easy to use. It's lightweight. It doesn't break down. As long as you take care of it, keeping the the pipes clean on the thing and keeping the brush roller clear of hair, the thing works so well. I love the wand on it specifically because it can reach long places, and it is lift away, so you can just take this piece off, and I'll demonstrate that now for you. And it leaves great vacuum lines, which are chef's kiss. My favorite thing are vacuum lines. So let me show you. In order to use the lift away feature, you do have to have the cord unwrapped. And the cord is a decent length. It's not very short. It's not too long. If you're going to be doing a larger space, obviously, like more than one room at a time, you're going to want an extension cord or to just unplug it and plug it in the other room. In order to do the lift away feature, there is a red button here on the side. You just press that button and it lifts right off so that you can use the wand. Comes with different attachments. This one is just my favorite because it gets into all those creases and crevices, and it's super lightweight, so you can do the stairs or under the couch or whatever you're needing without having to carry that heavy brush roller around. Just pop that right back on. I like that the canister, you unclip the sides on both sides here, and you can empty the canister by opening the bottom and dumping it, as well as opening the top and dumping it there. I like to put my favorite Diva laundry scent in my filters. That's probably not recommended by Shark, but it's what I do so that when I vacuum, it's leaving my favorite scent throughout my house. This is the Shark Professional Lift Away.